Hi guys, Jeff Costello, Eastbrook Homes. I want to welcome you back. It's been a long time since we've shot any of these videos. We've had any open houses, anything. COVID is behind us, thank God, and we are ready to serve our customers and clients. I want to talk to you a little bit about our Saddlebrook development. Saddlebrook is located in the Cedar Springs area. It's about the farthest one north that we have right now. It is off Algoma Road, just past 18 Mile on the west side of the road there. Really nice community. Now, what this is these are single family homes, but it is set up as a condominium association. So we take care of the lawn maintenance and the snow plowing and different things like that. But I really want you to take a look at the website, first of all, eastbrookhomes.com. Second of all, you're always welcome to give me a call, but take a drive up there. Really nice area that we have up there. We are starting open houses back up. Now you have to look at the website. Each individual agent has got different open houses that they're setting up, but we are open Saturdays and Sundays from now on, and then sometime during the week. So give us a shout, take a quick peek at Saddlebrook, single family homes up there. Price ranges are about $350 and up. And that's what we've got for you. Call Jeff Costello, 616-293-9527. Have a great day.